Hello Rust Club and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download CTGPR, and you're going to need an SD card to get 200 tracks added to the game. So the first thing we're going to do is go up to the search bar and we're going to type in CTGPR download. And then you're going to see some links. Just click the first one. This is going to send you to the CTGPR Revolution website. Click the download tab on the top, and then you're going to see a blue button that says download CTGPR and the version name. Just select that, and it's going to bring you to this mega download link. It's just going to load. And then it's going to show this download button, and just click it. Now that our download is complete, we can now open the Files app in our Chromebook or whatever Files app that you have on your device that you're using, and then just go to the downloads and you should see the CTGPR zip. Just open it up and then copy everything inside it, or just select all of it and then just copy it all and drag it onto your SD card. And now that our download is complete, we can now grab our SD card from our computer, and now we're going to hop over onto the Wii to show it, and then we can hopefully load up CTGPR. And then you're just going to put it into the front slot on the Wii, and then we'll get over there. Now that we are on our Wii, we can go into the homebrew channel to try to find CTGPR and try to see if the mod actually downloaded. And if you have the SD card in, you can see that CTGPR shows up, and you would just click load, but I'm not going to boot it up right now. And thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and like if you want to see any more tutorials for any of the mods. Peace.